Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kostulas, and today we're going to go over how you guys can start to make money with video games. Now, you know, I think video games are a ridiculously amazing opportunity and business model going forward. We know now that people will sit and watch people play video games for hours. They will binge. They will, I think this guy named Ninja playing this game Fortnite is making like $500,000 a month just playing video games with celebrities and whatnot who have big personal brands. So, you know, not everybody obviously is going to make 500K a month playing video games, but say you were to make an extra 500 a month, would that be cool? Just because you're playing video games anyway. If you're making an extra 500 a month, it can grow to then 5,000 and then maybe even 10,000, all based on watch time. We're going to go over that in this video. I'm going to talk to you guys about everything that you need to know to start your own personal brand and video game business. So let's jump right into the slideshow. So obviously everybody knows Fortnite. This is like, the most popular game in the world right now. Everybody's talking about it, and there's some serious opportunity to make a lot of money playing this game. So if you have any expertise at playing Fortnite and you can give advice to younger people who do not necessarily know, how to play the game at the same way that you can. So people honestly will watch you play Fortnite all day if they are bored. That's just a fact. People would rather do that than go outside and play basketball. It's sad, but it's the truth. So let's hop into the next slide. What are the steps? Okay. Identify what your favorite game is. For me, it's MLB The Show. Now, what I plan on doing, when I start my video game personal brand business and I add it to, just another stream of passive income for myself, I'm going to play MLB The Show, or I'm going to play Call of Duty, and I'm just going to stream it to YouTube. I'm going to stream it to YouTube, whatever I'm doing, right? And then, say I have an amazing match in Call of Duty where I get some really awesome kills and I hit some bombs in the show and I hit like a 500-foot home run with Giancarlo Stanton or Aaron Judge. I can take those highlights and put it into a commercial, which brings us to our next point. The next thing you're going to do is set up a highlight commercial on Facebook and Instagram. And this is the best place to put an ad, obviously, way better than TV, way better than the newspaper. If you can target people on Facebook who are interested in video games, and then you narrow the audience down to the video game that you like, then it's very simple to, get every single day 50 to 100 people, subscribing or following whatever channel that you're promoting. So for me, it would be YouTube. So what I would do is I would set up a Facebook commercial of highlights of what I just explained. And then I would target people who are interested in MLB The Show. I would target people who are interested in Call of Duty. And then I would run $5 a day to an Instagram story ad or an Instagram feed ad or a Facebook feed ad. And every single day, this would funnel in a bunch of new people to my channel. I apologize, guys. I didn't remember to get rid of this last bullet. Do you want to make a company revolving your favorite sport? That was from the previous video that I just came out with, but ignore that. That's not part of this one. My bad. So, um, so that obviously you guys have to subscribe after that. Turn on post notifications, or you're not really subscribed. All right. All right, what's step 2? Now you need to run paid traffic to the right audience. This is going to be different based on your specific goals. So let's actually do that. You guys are in my laptop, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on the Facebook ad platform. Now I'm obviously not going to go that far in depth because, that's going to be saved for my course that I have coming out in the next couple of weeks. But, for the most part, I'm really going to show you guys how you can get started today with just $5 a day. So, all right, so we want to target worldwide here because, with YouTube, you're paid based on watch time. So it doesn't matter where they are in the world. Just matters that people are on there binging on you. That's the goal. All right, so we're targeting worldwide, so that's a crap ton of people. You want to target people that are as young as 13. I remember I got my first PlayStation when I was like 10, and it was the greatest day of my life, So we got to target those guys and girls. Language doesn't matter. We just care about watch time. So now let's do video games. So people who are interested in video games, and now we're going to narrow the audience down to MLB The Show, which is 245,000 people are interested in this. And then we're going to do Call of Duty. And there's about 22 million people interested in this. So that's a potential reach of 540 million people. Interesting. So then we're going to set up the story ad video. I don't have it made yet, but, it is what it is. I'll get mine made eventually. But on average, if you spend $10 a day, you are going to get in between 370 link clicks to 2,300. Let me break that down for you. Every single day, you could be getting that many followers or YouTube subscribers for $10 a day, targeting people who are extremely interested in what you're promoting. So now let's break down the rest of the ad. Oh wait, I can't do that for you guys. That's going to be in my course. Lo siento, mi amigos. So let's go back to the keynote. Let's go back in there. Obviously, Babe Ruth is in this game, so that's exactly why I'm going to get it. Let's go to the next slide. Okay. So step 3 is your social media should be your business. You should post on social media about stuff that you like and stuff that makes you happy. For me, I love baseball. I love video games. It makes me happy talking about them. So what I need to do is I need to learn how to, turn my social media into a business. I start thinking about my audience as people that look up to me. So what I want to do is I want to capture emails. I want to learn how to grow on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and I want to learn how to make awesome content. If you're really good at a specific video game, your content's going to be dope. It's just simple as that. If you can explain to people how you're doing things, that just adds to it. Like, you're going to have amazing content if you can provide value for people who are watching your videos. It's as simple as that. Learning how to grow on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube ultimately can make it so that that's what you do for a full-time job. I'm not saying it'll happen overnight. I'm not saying it'll happen even in a year. But, if you're consistent, you're persistent, and, you learn from somebody who's doing it, I don't see why, if you're persistent and you don't give up, you can make it happen too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're going to go back to slide 2 because I want to make that fire thing happen again. Make sure you guys subscribe. You turn on the post notifications. I'm posting every single day. I'm going to be teaching you guys, how you can make money from your laptop. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Peace.